Welcome back to Coding Pills. Today we are going to tackle square patterns in Java using loops. How to solve this problem? Before wasting the time, let's start the video. So first of all, need a main method. The main method you have to take the output from the scanner class. So you do need a scanner class. Scanner s is equal to new scanner system dot in. Then you need to sys out in the in the size of sorry size of the square. Then you need one variables int and is equal to s dot next int. After this, you need a to loop. Why? Because as you can see here, we have a row and column. To represent the row, this is the row and this is the column. To represent row and column, you need a to loop. Okay. So first represent the row. For that, int I is equal to starting from the 1, I less than is equal to n. It will be printing until the your n and I plus plus. Then we need a second loop which is represent the our column. For that we need for int j starting from the 1 and j should less than is equal to n and j plus plus. After this, what you need to do? You have to print the star. Why? Let me first write. Why just printing the star? Because as you can see here, our all the place of the square, the star is printed. That is why we treating the our for loop from 1 to 5 and the column 1 to 5 in every single time and printing the star pattern. After come out this for loop, inner for loop come out this and then print this is out for the uh, next line. Otherwise, it will be printing the one single line of all the things. To avoid that conflict, you need us. Sorry, system dot out. Yeah, now run this program. Enter the size of a square. I just need a 5. Okay, okay. See, the next line is printing, but it will be not printing like this. Why? Because we just use that print and it will be printing the every single iteration. After printing the star, it will be going to the next line. To avoid this, you need a print statement instead of print. Okay. Now run our program. As you can see, 5, 6, you will get the size of a square. This is the way of you can solve this problem. Just like taking small pills of knowledge every day. Thank you for watching our channel, Coding Pills.